Wow. I always wanted to shoot this. We are in the month of almost June, 2 days short to June. And that's when the crabs will breed. The eggs will hatch out. Isn't it cute? So cute. Have a look at it. That's why I love the month of May. This is the topmost video that I am making. Those of the juveniles, including birds and animals. They're so very cute, aren't they? It's highly interesting to study about the crab taking care of its young ones. Until when it is going to do it, I'm not sure. Without realizing that it's a female, I did take off its claws, remove its claws to safeguard myself. I'm feeling so sorry for it now. I don't know how exactly it is going to feed it. I think it just gives the security from predators by keeping it inside its stomach. That's all that it can do. I think. How can it feed such a minute? Very. Here is my finger. You can cross check with my finger. I'm letting it go here, and I'm going to feed it. I will feed it. Two of my best friends were there, hanging onto my hands. Now they are left. Hopefully, this tank will. Where did it go? Here. Will serve as a good housing for this. Let us see for how many days this crab is going to keep it in its stomach. Keep them all. Oh God, numerous. It's not countable. If at all it was there, this crab was there, left out in the lake. That's where that I just not picked it up from. Very few of them might have got could have got survived. With so many predators around, big fishes and birds, hell lot of them are there. I think I'm good. I am helping this crab in getting its younger ones a safe home. Hopefully. What should I be feeding this? This crab should be fed something with something, right? I'm going to do the research work now on this. They are so very cute, aren't they? While catching it, few of them got dropped down. They come out and then have a look at the surroundings, and then they will get back into the safe home of its mummy's stomach. So cute, isn't it? It's just like the kangaroo does. It's just like the kangaroo. Where is it? Here it is. Does to its younger ones. But this crab is not feeding them. I wonder what will those young crabs going to eat. I have to feed that also to get them growing in this little tank of mine. I should be replacing the water quite frequently to not poisoning the water. There are so many bugs already in the water, swimming around up and down, up and down. Can you see? I think these small crabs are going to feed on them. Let us see. This is a new discovery for me. Even though I had seen many of them, such mama crabs before, ever since my childhood. This is the first time I'm able to give one such crab a safe home to safeguard its young ones. That's it. How was the little video? Give a feedback, and if you feel like sharing it with your friends and all contacts, do share it. Well, because many of them would not have seen this before. That's it. Have a good day.